Today's video is brought to us by the Sonoran Desert Institute. SDI is an accredited distance learning institute complete with scholarships and federal student aid, and they offer programs such as an Associates of Science in Firearms Technology, a Certificate in Firearms Technology focusing on gunsmithing, and now a Certificate in Unmanned Technology, Aerial Systems. So whether you're interested in tinkering with your own firearms or gunsmithing as a profession, and now if you're interested in drones for a profession, SDI can give you all of the skills you need to pursue a career in those fields. To learn more about courses of instruction, the student lifestyle of SDI, or even some of their elite instructors, check out sdi.edu and take the first step towards your new career. The link is down below and in the pinned comment, and thank you to SDI for being a friend of the channel. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I appreciate your time. Thank you for watching. Happy birthday to the wifey, if you happen to watch this one. I love you. I wanted to tell everybody what happened yesterday that is concerning slightly, but extremely comical, and thought you all could use a large laugh. See, first, Congress reconvenes today after their 2-week vacation for Independence Day. It's amazing, they get 2 weeks off. And in preparation for them convening today, liberal, anti-gun, socialist filmmaker and author and Karen, Michael Moore, has penned and prepared a 28th Amendment that will be presented to Congress today for consideration. And this amendment is looking to repeal and replace the Second Amendment of the United States Constitution. Now, the amendment starts out with a bunch of weak cowardice, and then it moves into include all of the anti-gun dreams that Congress has been talking about for years. And now I will tell you that I don't think this has a snowball's chance in hell, but I thought you should know what's going on because some of the points in here will become talking points in Congress because that's how it works. So we'll go over the 8 sections together. I'll put them on the screen. It's a quick read. I want you to have a giggle. Start your week off with a laugh so that you can tell other people today at the water cooler something funny. So this was penned yesterday. Here it is, the 28th Amendment. My proposal to repeal and replace the Second Amendment, written by Karen Michael Moore. Section 1. The inalienable right of a free people to be kept safe from gun violence and the fear thereof must not be infringed and shall be protected by the Congress and the states. This amendment thus repeals and replaces the Second Amendment. Section 2. Congress shall create a mandatory system of firearm registration and licensing for the following limited purposes. A. Licensed hunters of game. B. Licensed ranges for the sport of target shooting. And C. For the few who can demonstrate a special need for personal protection. You know, totally against what the Supreme Court just said, but let's continue. All who seek a firearm will undergo a strict vetting process with a thorough background check, including the written and confidential approval of family members, spouses and ex-spouses, and/or partners and ex-partners, co-workers, and neighbors. A mental health check will also be required. There will be a waiting period of 1 month to complete the full background check. Section 3. Those who meet all the requirements for the restricted gun owners groups and successfully pass the background check must take a firearm safety class and pass a written test on an annual basis. Section 4. The minimum age for the restricted groups who can own a firearm is 25 years old. Renewal and review of the firearms license will occur on an annual basis. Section 5. Congress will stipulate and continually update the limited list of approved firearms for civilian use, including weapons in the future that are not yet invented. The following firearms are heretofore banned: all automatic and semi-automatic weapons, and all devices which can enable a single-shot gun to fire automatically or semi-automatically. Well, what's left? There are no other. It's either automatic or semi-automatic, you idiot. Also banned: any weapon that could hold more than 6 bullets or rounds at a time, or any magazine that holds more than 6 bullets. All guns made of plastic or any homemade equipment and machinery or a 3D printer that can make a gun or weapon that can take a human life. Section 6. Congress shall regulate all ammunition, capacity of ammunition, the storage of guns, gun locks, gun sights, body armor, and the sale and distribution of such items. No weapons of any kind whose sole intention is the premeditated elimination of human life are considered legal. Congress may create future restrictions, as this amendment specifically does not grant any American the right to own any weapon. Section 7. Police who are trained and vetted to use firearms shall be subject to comprehensive and continuous monitoring and shall be dismissed if found to exhibit any racist or violent behavior. And finally, Section 8. Persons already owning any of the above banned firearms and who do not fall into the legal groups of restricted firearms owners will have 1 month from the ratification of this amendment to turn in their firearms for destruction by local law enforcement. These local authorities may organize a gun buyback program to assist in this effort. The above constitutional amendment was written by Michael Moore of Michigan and presented to the 117th United States Congress on July 11th, 2022. What an idiot. What a Karen. What a coward. What a wuss. This is not what America is, you coward. This is violating all of our rights, and you and your little sorry feelings don't matter. That's not how it works. Sometimes your feelings are wrong. Sometimes your beliefs are wrong. Sometimes you need to lose in life. Sometimes you need to fail in life, and that's what makes us stronger. That's what makes us Americans. And you are a coward, Michael Moore. Just when you thought you've seen everything, this clown comes out of the woodwork and drops another bomb. I just thought I'd put this out there. Now, if you don't know Michael Moore, he's ultra-liberal, ultra-socialist, hates anything to do with a gun. He's just a big coward, and he's proven that year after year after year. So I thought I'd give you something to giggle about. It's a little enlightenment on a Monday to start your week. But this will be introduced to Congress here shortly, and I just wanted to put it on your radar. I think it has that much of a chance to pass, but some of these things will be talking points again. You can count on that. Till we see each other again, be safe, stay vigilant, carry a gun to keep you, your friends, your family, your community safe, because that's what the Second Amendment is for, Michael Moore. It is to protect yourself, it is to protect others, and to protect your community from criminals who want to take your life and a government who turns oppressive and tyrannical, just like the ones we shot in the face from England. Take care.